Okay, you see that device right there? That's a firing pin retractor. It's a safety. That little gadget right there. The firing pin retractor. It's a safety. When the bolt goes closed, and see I have it unlocked right now, when the bolt goes closed, that basically is shoved up. You see, I shoved down in the bolt. When the bolt is open, a spring pops that up, and the back end of it gets in front of a notch in the firing pin itself, so the firing pin cannot go forward. The action bar rides in this machined cutout right here. When the action bar moves back, it hits here, hits this pocket, and moves the bolt down, unlocks it, hits here and bottoms out and carries the bolt back. Now when it returns, the tab on the action bar hits here and drags the bolt forward until the back end of the bolt lines up with the reception receiver, at which time it stops going forward and the action bar will ride up this, raising the back of the bolt, and this pad on the action bar right here will rest right here on the bolt. So the gun starts to misfire, and you notice when you look at it that the firing pin is striking far to the right of the primer. Well, that happens because of wear on the bolt and or this tab. This tab rides back and forth in a slot in the receiver, and the bolt may wear, and there's some wear on this one, you can see it, or the tab may wear, or they both wear, and the right extractor spring is considerably stronger than the left extractor spring. So what happens is the bolt is being pulled to the right. Now if you look at this firing pin, if it moves up about 150 thousandths, it's time to fix it. So if you're taking one in trade or something and you look at that and it moves up about 150 thousandths when you push the carrier up with your fingers, now it's after each pump. It's time to fix it. So you have to figure about $125 worth of fix. You take that off the purchase price. Just makes sense to me. How about you? The lovely gun to feel and to look at. Actually, it's a fun gun to shoot. It's expensive to fix now because parts are hard to get and expensive. And if you don't understand it, of course, you'll screw up that action slide lock system or the chamber ring or who knows what, and then it's really expensive.